Today, I will show you how to transcribe a YouTube video to text without signing up or uploading any files. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Tactic YouTube Transcript. Click on the first result. Now, paste the YouTube video link that you want to transcribe, then click Get Video Transcript. And there you have it. As you can see, it takes less than 5 seconds to transcribe the video. Click Copy to copy the transcript. To download the transcript, click on the Download button. Click the folder icon to find your saved transcript. Double-click on the transcript to view it. That's it. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.